Welcome back to TechSpace, everybody. In this video I want to show you guys a few tricks that you can do on the command prompt. If you don't know how to get to the command prompt, go to Start, type CMD, click Enter, and you'll have the command prompt window open. Now what you're going to want to do is, as soon as you open the command prompt, well, I'm going to show you 5 different things that you can do on the command prompt that are cool tricks again. So bear with me. Number 1 is going to be creating the system tree, which shows every file in the PC, which is TREE, and press enter, and this will run again until the file tree is finished, which will obviously take probably about 2 hours for an average computer. What we can do next is type in system info, click enter, and system info will basically give us the information about our computer, the operating system, and all of the other stuff as far as the drivers, as you can see, the adapters, the peripherals connected to it, hardware connected to it, the server that it's on, and stuff like that. I don't want to show too much of this, but basically it's showing all of the system information. And the next thing that we're going to want to see, or that I'll show you in this video, I'll have a full version of this, of course, that's going to show all of the videos for command prompt. I have a whole series on command prompt, actually a playlist that I created, so you can go check that out. Go to my channel, go to playlists, and you can check that playlist out. But the next one we're going to go over is IP config, which most of us know, but it gives us the IP information for our computer. The last one that we'll go over in this video, just because I don't want to go over too many of them, and I still have to make a longer version of this video that will, again, is going to be an updated version of the playlist that I created probably about, I don't even know, probably a year ago. It'll be an updated version of that playlist, which will include all of these different command prompt codes. So be sure to stay tuned for all of those videos, the command prompt videos. If you want to go check it out on my channel, you can go check it out. Other than that, we'll have an updated version, so subscribe, like the video, and we can, or you'll see the video as soon as it comes out. So the next one, or the last one we're going to go over again, is power CFG space dash / battery report. And this one won't work for all computers, but this one will work for most computers. I know it works for Windows 10, but if you enter this, it'll give you the amount of battery that you have left on your computer, as well as give you some more information about the battery. So since that didn't work, I'll go ahead and throw in this one. This one's to change the color of the command prompt. You can type in color, and for example 3E, and first the number is the background color, I think, and the letter is the text color. I don't know if that's 100% right. I'm just guessing. Again, I haven't reviewed this topic in a long time, but you can change the color of the command prompt by just typing color. Type in color like 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D, and it'll change the color around, and you'll eventually see what I'm talking about. So there's some cool things that you can do within command prompt. If you like this video, I'm sorry it was a little choppy. It could have been a lot better, but again, it was just, like with the command prompt, you never know if your computer is going to work with certain commands. Even with Linux, a lot of commands, they're supposed to work, but they don't. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video, whatever that may be. Subscribe, and I will see you next time.